My name is Irene. I'm the Conference and Banqueting Special Events Manager for the African Regions Hotel. I recently got the opportunity to be part of this training. I see a lot of things that I could incorporate into my work. I think it's been fantastic. The contents have been good. I've learned a lot from the beginning, planning of a wedding from the beginning to the end. And I think that this is the first time, but it's been great so far. I think that maybe from out of this program, I might, decide to start my own events planning course. Even though I wasn't thinking about it, I'm thinking of probably starting my own events planning company, dealing with weddings and other things. So it's been great.